Ever wondered why your PC setup feels incomplete or underwhelming? Today we're uncovering the best PC cases under $900 that blend style, airflow, and value. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned for game-changing picks you'll actually want. If you love them, grab your favorite through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Kediers PC Case. It's strange how a PC build can feel ordinary one moment and breathtaking the next, and that shift often begins the moment you drop your components into a case that finally matches the scale of your ideas. Most buyers face the same headache before choosing a tower, dealing with cramped layouts, poor airflow, and dull aesthetics that make even powerful hardware look uninspired. But the Kediers PC Case instantly removes that tension with a design that feels open, expressive, and ready for high-performance setups found in many of the best PC cases people search for today. The wide panoramic glass creates a sweeping view that turns your internal hardware into a visual centerpiece, and the diamond-cut angles add an artistic edge that feels rare in this price tier. Pre-installed fans immediately improve circulation, giving your system a cleaner thermal baseline that matters during long gaming or work sessions. The upgraded I/O panel brings a sense of modern convenience through high-speed ports that cut down waiting time when transferring files or connecting new devices. Expansion support is generous, allowing full-size GPUs, large coolers, multiple storage trays, and space for additional radiators, which makes it feel future-ready compared to slimmer mid-towers. Downsides include the need for careful cable management because of the heavy glass visibility and a slightly larger footprint that may challenge smaller desks, but both become manageable once the build comes together. This case suits builders who want an affordable yet dramatic showcase for their components, offering airflow, style, flexibility, and that satisfying feeling of watching every part of the system come alive inside a space designed to elevate it. At number 5 is DARKROCK EC2 Black ATX PC Case. Some cases look ordinary until the moment you power them on, and then suddenly the entire build feels transformed, almost as if the system finally found a home that matches its energy. Many builders run into the same problem before upgrading, stuck with towers that choke airflow, hide their hardware, or rely on outdated ports that limit what modern setups can do. But the DARKROCK EC2 Black ATX PC Case cuts through those frustrations with a layout that feels open, breathable, and tailored for the kind of rigs often compared across the best PC cases enthusiasts explore today. The meshed front panel creates a steady airflow path that keeps components cooler during long gaming or rendering sessions, while the tempered glass adds a clean viewing window that turns your internal hardware into a visual statement instead of something tucked away. The Type-C port brings welcome convenience for new devices, reducing the small but constant delays that come from adapters and slow connections. Magnetic dust filters add a sense of relief by keeping the system cleaner without requiring complicated maintenance, and the overall compatibility range supports multi-fan cooling, large radiators, ATX boards, and long GPUs, giving you space to scale your build over time. Compared to other mid-towers in this tier, the EC2 stands out for its blend of airflow and simplicity, though it does have a slightly tighter interior that may require patience during cable routing. Still, once everything is arranged, the structure feels balanced and ready for both performance and showcase setups. This case is ideal for builders who want strong cooling, clean visuals, and a modern feature set that supports powerful hardware without overwhelming the desk. At number 4 is Lian Li PC Case. Some PC cases feel like simple shells, but every once in a while you find one that turns your entire setup into a stage. And the moment that happens, your build starts to feel more alive than ever. Most builders run into the same set of problems before upgrading, dealing with cramped interiors, awkward pillars blocking the view of their components, or cable nightmares that ruin the clean aesthetic they imagine. But the Lian Li PC Case breaks that cycle with a design that feels open, flexible, and built for the kind of showcase rigs often compared across the best PC cases enthusiasts search for today. The seamless front view immediately stands out, removing structural distractions so every fan, light, and component sits in full display without obstruction. Expanded space allows massive GPUs to fit comfortably, and the adjustable motherboard height gives you creative freedom to shape airflow and cooling exactly the way your hardware demands. The RGB strips framing the tempered glass add a gentle glow that feels refined rather than overwhelming, giving the build a premium look without trying too hard. Inside, cable management tools bring a wave of relief through Velcro straps, layered clips, and a PSU bracket that offers extra room for tidying lines that normally clutter the side panel. Compared to other modern cases in this tier, Lian Li leans toward visual purity and customizable layouts, though the wide glass panels mean fingerprints and dust need occasional attention. Still, the payoff is a system that looks intentional, powerful, and perfectly framed. This case is ideal for builders who want spacious interiors, artistic lighting, clean cable routing, and a display-focused design that turns their hardware into the centerpiece it deserves to be. The third one on our list is Corsair PC Case. It is incredible how a case can shift the entire personality of a build the moment you see your components framed behind clean glass. Almost like the system finally steps into its own identity. Many builders struggle with airflow restrictions, tight interiors, or messy cable visibility that distracts from the excitement of assembling a high-performance rig. But the Corsair PC Case changes that experience with a layout that feels open, modern, and aligned with what people look for when exploring the best PC cases on the market. The wraparound glass design creates a sweeping view that makes every part of your build feel intentional, and the generous compatibility from small boards to eATX ensures the case grows with your ambitions instead of limiting them. Cooling support is a major relief here, offering space for side, roof, and PSU-mounted fans so you never have to trade airflow for aesthetics. The removable glass panels make installation smooth and surprisingly enjoyable, removing the usual stress of tight angles or blocked access. Pre-installed ARGB fans add a touch of visual momentum right out of the box, creating a polished glow without requiring extra purchases. This model's ability to pair with reverse connection motherboards is a standout advantage, clearing cable clutter and giving the interior a clean gallery-like appearance that many mid-towers cannot manage. Downsides include the need for careful fingerprint management due to the glass coverage and a slightly larger footprint that may challenge compact setups. But once the system lights up, those details feel minor. This case suits builders who want strong airflow, easy assembly, modern features, and a showcase-worthy aesthetic that elevates their entire setup. On number 2 is ASUS TUF PC Case. Some PC cases feel like part of the background, but every once in a while you find one that turns a build into a breathing machine. And that moment hits with a kind of energy you can feel even before pressing the power button. Many builders struggle with poor airflow, loud fans, or layouts that make cooling upgrades frustrating, which is why choosing the right tower becomes such a defining step when comparing options across the best PC cases available today. The ASUS TUF PC Case steps into that gap with a structure engineered for airflow first, using a square mesh front that feeds components with a steady stream of cool air while keeping noise surprisingly low. The thick-framed ARGB fan design creates a balanced mix of strong cooling and subtle lighting, giving the system a performance-focused personality without overwhelming the desk. The removable top panel brings an immediate sense of relief during installation, making AIO mounting smoother and cable routing far easier than cramped traditional designs. The interchangeable side panel is a standout advantage, letting you choose between a full-tempered glass showcase or a mesh-oriented setup for maximum airflow depending on your hardware needs. Support for hidden connector motherboards cleans the interior even further, giving the finished build a clean and modern look often found in premium setups. Downsides include a slightly rugged aesthetic that may not appeal to minimalist builders and a frame that demands thoughtful cable planning, but the benefits outweigh the effort once everything clicks into place. This case is ideal for gamers and creators who want powerful cooling potential, flexible presentation options, and a chassis that feels ready for both heavy workloads and visual impact. Now moving to the last one is NZXT H7 Flow PC Case. Some cases impress you only after the build is complete, but this one grabs your attention the moment light hits its glass and reveals a space that feels crafted for performance and expression at the same time. Many builders face the same frustration when hunting for a new tower, dealing with airflow limitations, messy interiors, or designs that hide the hardware they worked so hard to choose, which is why comparisons across the best PC cases always circle back to airflow, visibility, and ease of installation. The NZXT H7 Flow answers those needs with a wraparound glass design that offers a clean, uninterrupted view, turning every component into part of a polished showcase. Its compact dual-chamber layout quietly solves two major problems at once. It improves thermal behavior by isolating heat sources and creates a clean interior where cables disappear behind structured channels. 3-angled RGB fans bring strong cooling right out of the box, pushing air efficiently while adding a soft, colorful glow that feels premium without being distracting. The perforated top and side panels enhance airflow even further, helping high-performance GPUs breathe freely during long gaming or rendering sessions. Cable management is where this case shines unexpectedly, offering wide channels and straps that reduce clutter and make building feel smooth instead of stressful. Downsides include the need for careful placement because of its wide-angled glass front and a layout that may challenge oversized air coolers. but the overall experience remains rewarding once the system is assembled. This case is ideal for builders who want strong thermals, stunning visibility, and a modern structure that elevates their components into the spotlight. So guys, this was the video about the best PC cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.